Hi everyone, what's up? This is Be Creative with Ching-Hui. Today I want to do the creative project by using this mini waffle maker. Okay, actually this one will make one regular size waffle, but what I call is mini because you can make only one at one time. So this is really cute. Besides making waffle, I'm going to come up with a different idea, also make a dish by using this. So let's go. I want to go easy way today, so I'm going to just use the pancake mix. Okay, alright. And then I have pancake mix, and I also have an egg, 鸡蛋. And then let's see. I also need some butter, 奶油. Okay, so I'm going to get a bowl and then mix up some the waffle ingredients all together and then a batter to make the waffle. So basically you just need to follow the directions on the package. Okay, so I'm going to put some flours, the pancake mix flours in a bowl. I'm not going to do too much, so I just use 1/2 cup, and then I'm just going to add some milk. Okay, so let me go get the milk. Okay, so I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon milk in there, maybe one more. 2 tablespoons water. Okay, let's see. That is good. Okay, so you can see it's still kind of pretty thick. So I'm just going to add up all the 1/4 cup water plus 2 tablespoons. Okay, so the consistency you can stir it and see if it's easy to mix. If it's too hard, then you might need to add more water, or just basically follow the direction, the measurement on the package. Okay, I think I can use a little bit more milk. Okay, so let's add a little more tablespoon milk here. And you don't need to add any baking powder or baking soda because in the mix they already incorporate all the ingredients. So that's why I like to use the package. It's easy to go. Okay, so you can see the consistency, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to plug in this waffle maker. Okay, so you can see there's a light, and then it's going to start to heat up. So it says hot surface, so it's going to heat up pretty soon. So I just want to show you the inside. Okay, I already feel a little bit heat. Okay, so I'm going to apply some butter on the waffle maker. So let me get a brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush some butter on the waffle maker, and you can see it already heat up pretty good. Okay, and usually I also brush a little bit on the top part. Okay. So don't touch the metal area, it's really hot. Okay, so just make sure it's all buttered up. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit batter in there. Okay, I think the batter is heated up pretty good. Let's put some batter in. You can hear the sizzling is really nice. Okay, try not to put too much because once you close it, it's going to pressure it. So also the batter is going to increase some volume to make, to grow it to a little bit bigger. So I'm going to close it now. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's take a peek. Wow, actually it's almost done, but I'm going to do a little bit, put more butters on top, make it super crunchy when it's done. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna close it, let it cook a little bit more. And you will see it, the lights kind of turn a little bit brighter blue, so it means it's done. So we can unplug it. Okay. This kind of mini waffle doesn't have a turn on, turn off. You just need to plug in or pull the plug off. Okay, so let's check it. It's perfect. So let's get this beautiful waffle out. Okay, you can see the side is kind of a little bit sticky on the side, but well, I think it's pretty successful. Okay, so I'm going to prepare some sliced fruits to be with it.